Boss, 4x4 po ba yan or 4x2? Tara, pag-usapan natin. So we had a question right here from Israel, from our Toyota Veloz after 1 month ownership review. So he was asking if 4x4 ba or 4x2. So the answer to that is 4x2 lang po itong si Veloz. Mostly talaga ng gamit ni Veloz, or it was really designed for city driving. And in fact, that's one of their strength sa mga 7-seaters. And I believe mostly ng mga competition ni Veloz is 4x2 lang po talaga. If you want a 4x4, then you're gonna have to go up to the next segment. Baka napaisip lang talaga dito sa Israel na baka 4x4 is because dun sa thumbnail natin, diba, na medyo off-road, parang medyo desierto yung pinuntahan natin doon. But that's also a testament to Veloz. I said it's good for city, but it can also handle, in my experience, rough roads or medyo challenging na mga terrains. So for more information about Veloz, check out my playlist. See you.